episode for high juicy news. Mima ubibia akwaba had the latest hot kwa era me de bremo. Eruti zonya subscribe to channel idea bo modia say over subscribe. The way I say over click the subscribe button. Na wabele notification. We had a video for be upload on with the first person once ever can sa video. Afi we are na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wo foforo so na wenye bi hwe na wo hu ensemo a ekoso e wo Ghana memo hanum afi ntentemara yembura ye ensemo a abeto ye pno so uminti ye sankomo ya babeto je sa report mama yiti sansemo ye ekoso uminti
on the way na Ghana on my way etie no nya kasape wenya omomba betufo Aplus they say you know we are MP nti no member social media MP no woni ya akoya wodie woni say na win election na kona ko win wo election the bia mete ha was MP before co-opposition no leaders no say no they be on mobile social media after no who says social media hana action no to mo co-opposition they be on mobile afi no mobile join yen ye wo hadeda yen ye wo street no so deda unim MP dia kona ko win election na kudi wodie Aplus MP e wo se ubu wo ho memimbu me ho MP pa ubu no ho a me penasem da chi me yam krank metumi ayete so no Patrick Buama very nice man ono me hu na me ni age me feel no obu no ne constituency ne da kuma fadama harder than Las Vegas and none Las Vegas Ghana is na tie after 4 years no ma market after 4 years no ma market come Aplus am the bia meti haya because here the bia hana meti Ghana ade bi koso wo memu ha me madam for power Ghana ha madam for amene ne chati ye din komo ya kansem so me kan me namfo for mo ye me namfo for Ghana ha His Excellency Don Mahama Okahu Obeye President NI before omo invite me so omo person omo hwehwe asem mu me madam for Obeye President NI before invite me some person hwehwe asem mu say omo say national service for no mo kodi sika o say yes omo di sika no akwa bi so obehu me say me menye hwe Inti me nko John Mahama me ka say hey John Mahama be ye president or tata me on be tata obia na before no so be so mo asem MPP form pending for na mwedi aban so na amoko no ye fraud say branda be kira asem a you have to run and go and don't create an impression be say hey na John Mahama ye wo position to tata John Mahama ye madam for na before invite me last week and I before and me be tena se be bisa me questions on be bisa question me year no enti no national service for year so mo be hu na den we say metimbe bi na kwa bi hu me say person kwa press conference enti den makama sama tro mo o ma tro ma sama mo ko as obi a wedi o man so aba be ye pani wo man mu ha abebe kuta position police invite you have to run and go and stop creating an impression say in the opposition ti mudi boni wi am akotete party echi na me person me ye chairman ti John Mahama time omudi ayi papa former education minister Dr. Ditum oye na edwuma wi asisi school dan nice kama eye na education minister wi ye ya opposition ni obi akotata no yaso wakoye ayi friends wako jiska wose wo diska no wodi kodua eburo jema mutumi wo asem na meka no wodie wonya power wodie kogina court ye court ni so mbe jail yen like they were going to jail us because now we were power ye kogina we went to face it that's ada no me gina court me gina na me nim say enya de amekofie they are going to jail us today we faced it. We have come out of it to become MP. Yes, that's what General so 2017. One day, CID for invited me. Time now we go CID, national security for me. Because now CID, Satan bright to draw na CID director. Me because now CID bright to draw CID director him with all the CID Kapus or one grand bosses, a Tiwa, regional CID boss, one wine, quite any pay to them one almost came in Kwan. Hey, my head, because my can say will be a corrupt. Mekake can say be a Makudi Abansiko. Me say will be a corrupt. They sent me to CID. Me CID no, na national security hwehweme. Na bia na for hwehweme at the same time. Na shraje investigate me nipa baako. Sada na na sensu esu me court. Na so ususu esu me nipa baako. I still me jam na so. I still came out of all of it. I came out of it to become MP. One day I was at the CID, BNI for hwehweme, national security for hwehweme. And yes, me di bono makoka say obi e di boniti no the whole country was looking for me. Be a newspaper front page be a me I still came out of it. Police for national security for Bejina would gate a chema want to be police for national security Bejina would gate a omu refie no mu omu jina gate nechi was a yambro adult diaper na wo yemu hwie yento adult diaper mrewo ma mie adia yemio wuti Ghana ha wu nuane me odi en court say Jáil won say fi aswas nigga odon court ye Jáil but we hu prison da the person ya chiro say o man na ye ti aseasin won say we expose o omo amba wu fie no mu omo gina fie nachi they were standing behind the wall wa no dem we ye coach MTN boss. And then, hey, and as you say, we person ye national chairman, sa azane trick na mo ye wo man mu ha no. Person ye chairman nti no, Mahama person ochimitum na wo chairman obedi na fa Mahama ho. Wo ye chairman Asante region kra no. Jo Mahama ne ndi so mo B2 Asante region. Wo ye chairman in Asante region. Jo Mahama ne ndi si, o mo B2 in Asante region. Na afi ya wo person ye national chairman o musuro ana ase den. Obi a hu police wo gate echi a no wanu dem na MPP force dem du abo ye kasam chamu samonti mo who say mo the reality ye kasam chamu monti obi a police for be join gate echi a no team ona mo de ne ko chairman national chairman de ne ko di chairman for we munya power mo de power ne hu anko wakoje exim ba ye say me de me gaza wakoje ye say wakoje exim bank sika so du kodu egburo those days now exim bank sika ba en chairman mefro bia o say de egburo na wo bia na exim bank force sika no egburo no say egwendua me de bia me fra say bu kodu egburo say de odu egburo enom say egburo sika me wo na o ka say odu egburo wo si odu egburo yes say okoji sika no exim bank kona ko kyerem say egburo no eja ahye no nkranti awe wo se ma mi mewu ye nto ado dai pamro na hye na wo yemu hwe o na Yakubu ya Ghana ha at once na ye case no NDC NPP police gina circle ne kan chi driver for the bia chi boys de bia young boys omo ya hwe yeso boy bia akoye wakoji buroni bi sika sisi ya ne akochi no yase fraud boy romance wan hwa ya chi omo mudi aban sika no original sika no we are not the politics attached me NPP ni nti me am come ho amudi win 2017 election mobile power be police station kwan sa anya se bia me menye sika ni bi credit. You have to report yourself to the police. I'm happy to say that John Mahama he's just a nice man. Maybe John Mahama. John Mahama is just a nice man. Yeah, Your Excellency President, Exim Bank can almost go ampa. Me 2018 ho baby no mo de me ko se me kwaji bi. Omo sika bi wa exim omo de be man enti yanko. Bisa agensam no CEO no me am bra pen agency ono no CEO se MD Exim Bank o de me ko obi mi twa kwan sa se no mo ye me adanko dada do mi twa kwan sa afi de hwe da bi sika na mo ma me ahwa me lord first obesa e na me de me forget you on betran baby ko ji sika na mu tua esi mo ko ji yesi koko rules me de ye CEO nti wo na wo ko CID ene wo na wako ho ko na ko kire o mo say yes ni nyina omoboa just go we MPP ni pani na ye frowa we oman watching them last week NIB came to interview me. I've not done anything. Me NIB before me interview me on person munya some information they came I gave them the information I know whatever I have to tell them I told them nti me so do Mahama etata me ya dia na film person mo de politics stage na wo de you hu afrim de bia NDC MPP say ya time now mostly by force and like whatever it takes to jail Ato Forson, you know. And no the no said that you opposition. When you power, you don't farm my brain can power no. What's the radio so and now we end this for me. You more you know me do my best me. But no me 8 years ago. Mr. Bright Odru, Mr. Tiwa, it was say no me show. 8 years ago, na my boy be white in be Mr. Beto no me show. Kwame Plus ade me hu okrum ha bibia ye modem afa mo bedi aban mu 8 years obi esu mi bi me court me say law school director ayi law school Ghana law school director she am court back obi say oye adwuma wo ha na say dey bia mo de me court me feel so na say be MP o me ya me tell me video no me always na me tell no law school director who me sando say de bia wo ha adan wo ye adwuma wo ha na say de bia obi de me kokko de bia say ne nyina ma no me nkodi aban CKB Baakye Agyarko go di observe kwa press conference na me mo o me press conference kra me nya ho problem me need still ye jira na so go ya frawo police for be jina wo gate echi a wano de mu tiatim ti krom ha ma no gbegbegbegbegbe mo nya den eso mano mo nya den so mano mo kasa gidi ya proper ka police frawo ka krebi na wo dwonso na MPP4 Akufo MPP4 mo nyina mo ye menkrofo ya me feeling o. But you see, mo the party na hye nkwasi afonsa. Say o kwa me say dia ba be MP ya mengazaza obi a wagimi. Tema Wontumi wo me nua no me no nenam ye koye ba. Ya kwaba ya chin ya koya ba. Ye juma ye campaign obedu power obenya power o say FA plus go to prison. That guy Wontumi. The green power finish they go jail me. They carry me go court. Joe, let's small like they did. I said that morning, the magic way happened like they jail me.
Now they call people. I beg you can't. Nobody they come on.
You chop your money finish. You when you Wontumi. I was saying, and they would argue would this swing answer because you as Wontumi, me as I did here right now. If you like, make the talk say I get some matter for. You see the place my constituency day.
Yeah.
Hey, you go see. Look from Kaswa, you go see the motorway. You go move like they say. I do live video. I they go CID so make boys come. You know boys where they go come. They go come out. Hey, Accra go see. See, Accra go see people inside your own Kumasi will be chairman. The people where they come, they come look for you. They be 20 people they stand there. 20 I sure say then 15 they pass where they see police where they watch and be like 5 where they come.
I be before mo sorry, nobody they sorry.
MB before mo sorry o, MB before no omada. Mu this gano foot soldiers na mo no mu ye adwuma mo ba power. Mo mo video mo sorry ko amaka just omada. Amaka just omada.
It's a lesson to all the politicians.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so omada. And to mo sorry. You no get. You see, every human being if you do inside politics, you have to have a constituency. When you know more kasa by heart. See the kind of things which I want to see, and the kind of things where you do. If me, I get that level, I see if I come out for a crack, traffic goes. Like boys go stop because me, I go make sure say I have a very good relationship with people. You chop chairman for Ashanti region, they come your house, the people they did there, they be like 20, even on 15 they pass away. Me, I dey stand Gomua where something happen for Gomua. You go like at their house they say police they can't catch people. You go catch like 1,000 people. Me alone. Ask the politicians where they come a constituency to come and campaign. You they talk people they hold megaphones. Hey, one casa cry you busy. This place be a plus in territory. Chiefs they travel go tell them say hey this place we take give a plus. You know if you do anything about that. You did the regional chairman for be listen to him. You don't get anything. The radio, your mama have wife, you have children. You did TV top. Your mama, you go sleep with your maid. Now I'm a buyer and the maid, I'm here buying here with 50 and Kwasi company and what Baba party chairman.
And his people are sitting condoning this rubbish talk.
Nice party, MPP, nice party, nice people. You allow these few people.
And allow they destroy the party.
And you don't want us to talk.
Now here's the Agyapong to they can contest.
You see, I can tell you something. I'm going to say me German. Montnase. Every country needs a vibrant opposition. Every country. But me, if I tell you the person will tell me that they cannot join political party, any that would decide to go parliament, they can go independent. If I tell you the person will give me that advice, you go shock. The people where they up there, they look for something we go do, we go help. Most of them.
Yeah, they want.
But if I tell you the person will advise me, if I talk that matter, one party will collapse for Ghana here. Say this person will, everybody will talk. Say, hey, So you see, if you love your country, some certain things they know they talk. So me the day I go contest, I know say I go win. Because the people then they day my back. Bro, the people then they day back from inside NDC MPP. So me, I want MPP to be strong. So say checks and balances go work, accountability go work. And you people, the young people you did the party, all my friends, Adjoa Nima, Jenny Lofta, Atik, Patrick, Niado, all of you, even people like that's my brother, what be his name? My brother self, what be his name? Ofosu, Kofi Ofosu. All of these people, vibrant young people, you people for take over the party. Take over the party and build it. Push all these people away.
Yeah.
You people did them make to me if you wake up talk say they come top national chairman.
Yeah, so you can
because he grow or he do what? Because you know go fit top national chairman. MPP national chairman be Ayapokra. Ghana here party chairman be old man.
You watch that video, this thing, the leader goes into them. You say they were singing their song. Party na yamu kwa mudi ewu. Eji na eka hu na ebufu ni yade ate ye ho. Ya mate mo ho munti asan be ka kire mo no. We are the elephant and the elephant. Munja san kwasi anyom no to san anyom no kra enye de. Mo nkọ hyehyɛ anyom foforo. Ah hu NDC fo anyom. Ento mo de krrr sa krrr mo de. The one thing you will call the children say
MPP so we are the elephant. Human being, you be elephant. Human being, you be elephant. Or the asempa na abu. Into just a party, no. And obi otun and nom kramu to mentor.
Yeah, they don't have a song.
Why?
They don't have a national anthem for their party.
We are the elephant. Yes, elephant. This be song.
Very serious.
You they do galamsey. You they destroy our forests, our river bodies, everything. And see, me as you see me so, bro, me as I talk my matter, I talk, I go house, I go sleep. This year alone, I've met President Mahama on like 5 occasions. This year alone, ever since he became president. And see, he be very serious about stopping galamsey. Your Mahama has nothing against mining. But illegal mining, destroying water, our forests, John Mahama, I trust him that he's very serious about it. When I speak with JM, I see say JM sometimes if my friend was Atta, I feel him. Because you know something, it is smart, you know they talk. You know the me I go talk my mind. But I know if you enter in head and see the way they think. So
I see you though.
Yes, like JM. It is slow, but he knows exactly what he want to do. He's not joking with these things. You go destroy, be your own government will tell you, say, you want to me, you they destroy forests, you they destroy this. Me if I get mining, I go do. Mining, what is wrong with mining? Illegal mining is the issue. Destroying forests and all.
But he can get the good water and buy. But the people who are voting for you will not get water and buy.
If we go there, this country say we no go mine gold. If you go China and things, so they know the mine. We go mine for Ghana. But your government told us that you are destroying the forest. You are destroying plenty forest because you are in power. Me, I know Wontumi no be today. I say Wontumi the first time you go England, then I work with someone, they call Mr. Van der Poel, die, Brakujo. That be the time where Wontumi come take visa, we fill the visa form for him to come take visa to travel. He said, make judge jail me.
because you get power.
Now today they cry.
Today you are crying.
They freeze all his account. You know, I like
John Mahama, they say if they freeze Wontumi account, and I was so disappointed in John Mahama and the government. They no freeze in Momo. They for freeze in Momo hard. You cannot destroy your government. Was not has NDC released any statement that says that Wontumi is destroying forest. This information came from when you were in power. So you have destroyed the forest.
Not the NDC time.
Me, the day I win election, I pick my phone. I start to call my enemies. Yeah. Charlie, what are they look for in life? I achieve them. Why do I? What are they fight with you over? So me, I know they use power to intimidate people. I they go honeysuckle, ask the boys, Friday night, a day inside, we get a Glenfiddich, we chill, I go house, I sleep. I want to be with my people. I know I make this parliament thing restrict me. No, I would still want to be with my because every 4 years you go back. And you want to leave your people. If you go back where they don't give you now you they come back, come meet your boys. I deal with your boys. You understand? You get power. You say me the jail, nobody but A+. They for put me for jail. Me to I get wife, I get kiddies. Me they jail me just because they talk your matter. Me I never talk your. I don't talk anything bad against you. Me self they talk say. Me self now they defend them. This man means they for jail us because he get power. They for jail us. You get power. You want me to jail even your friends. Now you dey bush they do galam. Say you go destroy our forest. See, today my friends call me Chibe. Yeah, Kwabena say Charlie, the kidney issues we dey Ghana right now. Go to the hospitals.
Just too much.
Go to the hospitals. The kidney issues. The kidney issues. And this galamsey, it forms part. The chemicals that they put inside water. So many villages, bro. If you campaign, you know where you are from. The places, the kind of water people drink. You will never stand up there and put chemical in that water. That is their only source of water. They don't have a choice. They have to drink it. You are not thinking about these people. All these chemicals that we are putting inside our water bodies, and people are drinking it. That's the same one we are using to plant the look. My friend called me today. Chibe said he prepared kokonte. He put it down. You know kokonte, you can prepare it, put it down. The next day you can eat. This time prepare kokonte and see. You put it down by evening time. It's
it's spoiled because of the chemical on the ground.
The chemicals on the ground, the one we're using to grow a lot, and it will affect a lot of people. You are into illegal mining, destroying the forest. White people lived with us here for 400 years. They still left us forest. We still had forest. After 400 years, or after colonial, over how many 100 and something years colonial rule, taking all our gold and everything, we still had forest. Wontumi alone, within 8 years in power, you want to destroy all the forest. CID said, come and let's ask you questions. You say they have to add adult diaper because your stomach is doing you As in their room they shout, and no be stomach they warrior. If they MPP for Monsori. I see people say your mama is soft. Your mama, I watch them. I laugh. I am the softest person in Ghana. You don't know that man called Mama. Look, you see Dompreh when he became IGP. He said, Kwame, you have to be very careful because I don't want anybody to say because you are my junior brother, you are my friend. No, if there's a matter that I have to do, I will use the law. So me, I was one of the people. I was happy when Dompreh was no more. Now I can live my life because people say, hey, because his friend is IGP, because so I was restricted. You know, you don't want. I don't even want to pick a phone and call and say, "Brah, no. I'm in Pesa."
Me the day he came to my 120,
and that's the same with John Mahama. How can I go and pick phone and say, "Yes, I see, please"? I went and did it for as long as John Mahama. I have to comport myself. I have to live my life in a certain way because Your mama won't save you. He will not save you.
And when they are pulling, the national is pulling left and right, John will not come there.
He will not save you. You are certain. I said last week, were you not here when NIB came here to interview me? They came here to interview me. Yes, I just went and told them what I know. You NIB want to interview, say because you want to be chairman. Me, do I want to be chairman? NIB came here to interview me. Is it because I want to be chairman of any party? You don't create that impression that the NDC government is chasing you. What do they want from you? You were chairman, they beat you mercilessly. You have to resign. You see, this is what I don't understand. In any civilized country, the whole MPP leadership
You know, it's
resign.
slap a MP. So I want to miss slap a MP. That MP have lost the sitting.
Eugene Entry, he wants to be general secretary of order. Has anybody gone after him? A lot of MPP people have shown interest in occupying various positions in their contesting for various positions in their party. Is your mama going after them? We want the Exim Bank money. If it is true that you have taken the Exim Bank money, go and bring the money. You are there talking nonsense.
And then he said he took a car or 18. They found 18 cars in his house.
It is not
that cars.
NIB people. When you finish, come and let me also give you some information. I want to me all his Rolls Royce and all those cars. I'm going to give information on the duty. You, when you got power, you want to jail your brother. You people should go and take the duty for his, and the guy who did the duty for his G-Wagon, his Rolls Royce. Because I'm going to do, I have to do a letter, official letter to Jáil to investigate how much he paid duty for those ones. And when you finish, go and tell John Mahama that he's the one that in 2000 and whatever, when you were buying those cars, was John Mahama there? He said, he died somebody $800. This man was sitting on TV with gold. Name it was gold. MPP people today are going to talk about Sami Jemfi. This man was sitting on TV with gold. You go and destroy our forest and come and plant it. Go and take gold, come and plant it. Ghana, in the assembly, MPP for Monsore, na monye party ni na nipa dodo no embe party ni akondo na nipa dodo embe join ne party no ma Monsore nkodi Wontumi echi MPP for Monsore kodi Wontumi echi odidi normal obi odidi no so obi ana onya problem say Monsore oboa. Don't go and follow them. Young people, we are trying to make it. Don't go and follow. Obi a wenya the problem we no abefro say kodi nechi oba ageno. So this can be riba. Oba no say sorry di nechi a ebi anas gold no ochicha no ono be check kilos ne dia na wo de wuti fie wenye bi endi 8 years. Ade chinya sorry party ho donti. Party ho dia ye betu wani. Ye betu wani. Ye dia de be bo wutinto wa wuti wo hwehwe no ba bia wo hu no. Don't follow these guys. Ghana say na tie. Who say we nya problem pe no start no person the politics at the time or the politics down one not just say or the whole issue has turned into a political issue. Not just as some new MPP for sorry oh. That man has never said MPP. MPP for sorry oh. MPP for sorry I'm sorry going. Next time. When your power, to the power and what the bed dream. Oh, I want to one out and now I'm CID no. No me tell me office no. Member of Parliament for Goma Central. Na me ni person na home chain. Backing vocalist. Oh, to me office no. No the name CID no. To me office. Honorable member. I have peace. You have money, you don't have peace.
Yes, you go and contest.
Go and contest. And you chairman which we so also we a guy see from the contest parliamentary men go MPP tickets. Men go Ashanti region, go independent. But some chose a Ghana ha. You bia one no big cassava heart. Nobody. Exactly. They come to advise you. Hey, come MPD didn't say me na media no 4 years way. But me say fee any school me didn't say ya can't do anything about it. Bye. CID for mon lucky chama want me ma be bail no. So say o ska chen mahama. Mo man the bill be 10 billion thousand hundred. Oh, pay. Money be up, pay. At this man, bro. Yeah. Your mama is president of Ghana. They still get Wontumi TV, Wontumi radio inside this country.
I wonder. I'm not sure. Yeah, be paying for TV.
If your mama no go heaven, they still inside. Because me, I be president. They did inaugurate that morning. No, I close Wontumi TV and radio. Close them down quick. Jam, the pressure we doing you talk. We think you think about you and your chairmanship. Fucking man.
So boy. Wait.
Mumfa camera no mum project here, mommy.
Wait.
That's right.
When your friend goat.
So boy.
When your friend goat. When your friend goat.
When you teso.
When you teso.
Sika koko.
Etinya krata no a. Ya wono
ekrakra
and the ma Ghana enya sika o. What you say? When your friend goat. What you say? And it's a solid money.
Solid money.
What you say? Sas kana ye no e dey liquid.
Yeah.
What you say? E liquid. Mami fa to say na. What me hu. Mami fa to say no what me hu.
Ebisa ho.
Me de bi ka ho ama na.
Sir.
Me de bi ka ho ama what me hu. Wait. When your friend says solid. Are you solid?
Sika koko.
Are you sika koko? Solid money.
Number one.
Solid. What does it? Mami for being ka ho. Hey, me de bi ka ho. What does it? Solid money. When we talk about money, it's not a bango. Banks can hold. Adia Magana. It's a possible need bag Ghana. No, who was a higher friend Sika and Puano. What I say? I don't see a friend has gold coast. What I say? Solid money. Mami Fabio Muntro. What I say? Solid. What I say? Solid money. Solid. What I solid money. Mami Fabio Muntro. Solid. Solid money. I'm talking about solid money. What you say? And your casa Wontumi was sika. And your bango. And your gold. And it's all gold here. I can't watch me. What it? Mami Fabio Mukrasa. Mami Fabio Mukrasa. So boy. What it? Solid money. We are talking about solid money. Solid money. Oh, and that's Mami Fabio Mukrasa. Mami Fabio Mukrasa.
Minya Ghana ni bio. Petition said the one we never be president in T. Minya Ghana ni bio. Ghana for Musorio. Ghana for Musorio. And before you know Musorio. And before you know Musorio. I am Munti and a Mahama MC. And before I am Munti and a Mahama MC. This vice president da. Me Madam Board Suda. Me my DCO da. Me my minister da. I chairman na media. And I want to make campaign in Mammy. I'm my campaign in Mammy party. And I'm a Juma. Sadia, I will say more also with the Mamino. My winning, I winning. Young Mahama, only president of Ghana. 18 why I'm soon. 2013, we are Saba the Boom Juma. Mubu Juma, any idea in Yano, Yabaya no. My Kadibia, and Yabia was a Manakai. Mubaye, Mastopi Majumana, Macau Pa, Bidia was one. Me, Macau to Club, Bidia was no. Sebetia, me Moscow physical club ding. What I say, most of them will start to Macau to so, and Nasabe, me, sick a bicycle bane of the family, a bicycle bane, and a befa won't be what? Me, Macau, for the past almost a day. Minagana need you. Petition said the one we never be president in T. Minya Ghana need you. Ghana for Musorio. Ghana for Musorio. And before you know Musorio. And before you know Musorio. I am Munti and a Mahama MC. And before I am Munti and a Mahama MC. This vice president da. Me Madam Board Suda. Me my DCO da. Me my minister da. I chairman na media. And I want to make campaign in Mammy. I'm my campaign in Mammy party. And I'm a Juma. Sadia, I will say more also with the Mamino. My winning, I winning. Yewura Mahama one president of Ghana. Eti no so anso 2013 mu ya saba be bu madwuma. Mu bu madwuma ene ade ayi nyina no ya baaye no. Manka bibia ade bia wo say bia mi da ma ne kai. Mu baaye ma stop madwuma nyina ma count mpa bididie wo so no. Me ma count kra bididie wo so no. Se betua me ma school fees kra pa aye den. What I say, Muslim demonstrate to my account so, and you know, Nasabi, me, sick a bicycle bane, a better me home, a bicycle bane, and a better won't be what? Me, my account for the past almost.
Yo, it is for winning and someone about better. Yapon so, Mikao says, so when you subscribe to channel idea, Bobodia say, over subscribe. No, I give video, give us a thumbs up, now fee, share my waffle frost. So now, when you be here, now, and somewhere also, I will Ghana memoir. Also with me otchere wadwen afaye somewhere nyina ho I will comment box mu mbati minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.